My mind is not on election.
Jamaican Prime Minister say he's going to fix the money issue. So these are the type of news that we think Jamaicans need to listen to and hold the government more accountable to some of these stuff and pay attention closely. Listen up.
Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness has promised to fix the public sector's money issues. The PM made the announcement during a speech at the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce and Industries, JCCI, 125th anniversary gala on Saturday. He said that the government is committed to putting the public finances in order, and that it will be taking a number of steps to do so. These steps include reducing the size of the public sector workforce, increasing taxes, cutting spending, improving the efficiency of government operations. The PM acknowledged that these measures will be difficult, but he said that they are necessary to ensure the long-term sustainability of the public finances. He also said that the government is committed to working with the private sector to achieve this goal. The JCCI welcomed the PM's announcement, saying that it is a positive step in the right direction. However, the chamber also called on the government to provide more details about how it plans to implement these measures. We will continue to monitor this story and bring you updates as they become available.
Okay, so a plan for reduce the workforce. So where? The cops, soldiers, nurse, we're part of the public sector. Plan for increase taxes. Whose taxes is going to get increased? Is it the regular Joe? Or is it these private investors, these big hoteliers, these big corporations in Jamaica? Whose taxes are getting increased? We're going to cut spending. You're going to cut it from the salaries of the ministers or the incompetent people in government. We're at improve government operations. No comment on that one. More cooperation with private sectors. That means sound to me like the private sector pocket are going to get line thicker. So pay attention to who's going to get these contracts and who's going to take over these government operations. But they no longer want to deal with, because Jamaica sell out everything. We don't bother deal with nothing. Sell out the airport, sell out the lights, sell out whatever they can sell out. I think this man run the country like a stock, or like how these Fortune 500 companies run them system. I think that's how he's running the country. First thing them do is cut employees, and that's the route he's going. So seems like he might run the country like a stock market, you know.
My mind is not on election. My mind is on ensuring that those who are at the base of the society who still have not yet felt the change that is happening, that you will get the chance, because your government is not taking its eyes.
Get in the comment section and start a conversation
of managing your business and your affairs. In other words, there are those who are power mongers. They just want power. They don't necessarily believe in your progress. And the truth is that when they get power, they don't know what to do with it.
Sounds like you're about to sell out the people.
So what they do is feed upon your frustration. That's what they do. They feed upon your frustration. And look here, there are many things to be frustrated about. Many things. But what you don't want to do is to disrupt the good governance, the good processes, the good management that is delivering the things that will make your life better.
Do you have running water? Do you have light? Is the road okay? Do you have access to good health care? Ask yourself these questions.
Now, let me put some things into perspective for you. Just after the pandemic, I used to get calls almost daily about the backlog of garbage collection.
I'm gonna be there for you, but let me just divert real quick to back to COVID time and talk about garbage collection when we did it on lockdown.
Almost daily, radio talk shows bombarded Why didn't we have garbage trucks? Why? You think the government just had the money there and didn't buy the garbage trucks? I want you to appreciate that from the time that you think about buying the garbage truck to the time that you get the garbage truck can be about 24 months.
Wake up and start pay attention to deflection. Start paying attention to things that matter. Pay attention to persuasion and all these stuff. Peace, I'm out.